As the bill for agentic coding in companies is getting higher and higher, we created a solution that allows you to save up on your token spent while keeping your coding assistance and your subscriptions to those providers. At Edgee, we developed a gateway that combines three mechanisms to reduce your cost. Smart routing, where you decide exactly which model to be used, even if it's not from your original provider. Token compression, which allows to reduce the amount of token input and output that will be used by the model. And team observability, which allows you to see exactly where your token spends are in teams, members, or PRs, which all in all can help you save up to 70% of costs. The first one that we're going to go through is routing strategies. Routing strategies allows you to set budgets for your team members, squads, or the full organization. In this budget, you can then define different steps where the gateway will reroute your request to defined models, allowing you to hit high-end models at the beginning of your budget and go towards lower-end and cheaper models at the end of your budget. You can also define a fallback route whenever something happens on the provider, or decide at the end of the budget if you want to continue on your last step or block, allowing you to keep your monthly budget with a reset at the end of that period. By targeting the right models at the right moment, you are able to save up to 50% of your costs. The second tool we give you is the token compression algorithm that are installed directly on the gateway. By using different mechanisms, we're able to save up to 20% of your costs. The first one is the tool result trimming, where we strip off all the useless data sent to the model. The second one is the tool surface reduction. In this one, we are able to create a virtual MCP that will compress all your MCPs into one for the model to search for an integration. The last one is output brevity, where we send an instruction to the model to keep the answer short. This will reduce the amount of output token, which are usually the most expensive when it comes to model pricing. All in all, this compression algorithm saves up to 20% of your costs. Lastly is the observability part, which is the most important. We give you a bunch of data which are able to help you target exactly where your costs are. You can get detailed spending per team, per developer, per models, as well as per PR. For that, just group up your team into your defined squads and let us show you which team spends the most tokens. With the help of multiple graphs, you will be able to get daily, monthly, or from a custom period the exact spending compared to the previous one. With our Git integration, you will also be able to get exactly the cost per PRs and therefore per repository, therefore being able to estimate the price of a feature. Again, you can set limits as well as budget strategies for all of those squads. With all those tools, you will be able to see in the future where your costs are going and manage it as well as reducing them. This is Edgee, the agent gateway that helps you take back control of your token spends. Thank you for watching.